So you want to learn how to cross your eyes like a pro. First, the basic inner cross. Now, every beginner needs training wheels. In this case, your index finger. So what you want to do is take your index finger and place it in front of your face and stare at the finger crease, the part where your finger bends, over here. Are you ready? Okay. Now hold your stare, hold your gaze, and slowly move your finger toward your face. Slowly, slowly, until you touch your face like this. Now hold your gaze and strike a pose. Now a more advanced technique is the outer cross. This one is similar to the basic inner cross, except you need 2 sets of training wheels, aka 2 fingers. So let's begin by starting at the same starting position as the basic inner cross. And then you want to slowly slide your second finger into the same center position in front of your face. Now here's the tricky part. You need to separate your eyeballs and focus each one on a separate finger. So your right eyeball focuses on the right finger and your left eyeball focuses on the left finger. Got it? Now slowly separate your fingers. Hold your focus and move toward your face. And there you have it.